Hey, so you're looking for ways to be able to create better copy so you could make more sales and get more conversions or get more engagement in your marketing to be able to get results. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gionta, and I've been marketing online for a little bit now. A couple years back, I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed. I was depressed. I didn't know what I was going to do. I was working a job that I hated in fast food, and I just wanted to change. I wanted different. And, a couple of my mentors showed me a concept of how I could actually bring business online and start getting results using the power of the internet. Ever since then, I've been able to change things around, and I use tools in order to help me to build and grow my business online, right? And I'm going to show you this tool because it's amazing for somebody who has trouble with copy, who has trouble getting conversions, getting sales. And I use it, basically for email, but you could use it for Facebook posts. You could use it for YouTube videos. You could use it for blog posts. You could use it for all kinds of things. So I'm going to show you exactly how this works right now so you could get a first-hand feel for how it works. So I'm going to go to a new project. I'm going to create a sales email. So that's going to be the name of this project, sales email 1. And you have to name the project, right? So you're going to name it. And this is your project right here. And then you'll continue. And then it's going to ask about the project. So it's going to be a sales email. And this is what it's about. And this is artificial intelligence. And here are the points, right? Here are the points that I want to touch on. And then it's going to ask you about the tone that you want to use, and I want to use persuasive, right? So I'm gonna select that, and then I'm gonna click on the button, and now it's creating the copy for me. So copy, and this is for product descriptions, right? And the product description is like this. It creates the product descriptions for me. So it says earn from online sales, earn 80% commissions on every sale, a weekly pay, and work remotely anytime. Earn up to 80% commissions on products with our home business opportunity with flexible time freedom and weekly pay. This is an opportunity that's perfect for anyone that's looking to create an online income stream and begin working from home. And these are just product descriptions, right? So these are things that you could use, and if you don't like these, then you just click on more and it generates more copy for you. Start a new career in home-based independent agent who earns 80% commissions on the business that you build. See, these are all pieces of copy, and you could save them. You could copy them and put them into your clipboard. Let's say if I was making an email, I would copy them, I would paste it in there, and then I would start to create my email right here. And so let's say I needed a subject line, right? If I needed a subject line, I would go to Catchy email subject lines and do the same thing. But, okay, let's say I want bold this time, right? So I'm in subject lines, and it's going to create me a bold tone, email subject lines. Okay? Stop getting cheated by MLM. The home business you've been dreaming of. A home business you could start in under 20 minutes. A monthly income potential of $25,000 to $1 million. And so you think people would open these emails? I think they would. Tired of the 9-to-5 rat race. Start your free training now. And this is bold, right? So if I wanted to change the tone, I could change it to empathetic. Okay, now it's going to give me that tone. and it's creating the subject lines for me, which is cool. I know it's really, really hard to find someone to earn money online. I know how it feels to be overwhelmed by my online business. Everything I got from joining this mailer and more than just money. Don't live your life to work your life to live. How many emails have you read today? That's a good one. I'm gonna actually use that one and save that one because that's really cool. I'm gonna try that to see how many people open my email. I'm gonna actually try that. This software generated this email subject line for me. It's amazing. And I could create a whole email body using the software. I just wanted to show you the software and do this quick demonstration. If you would like to get your hands on this software, it also has a 45% commission, for people who like things to build a residual income, right? So anybody who uses this can become an affiliate of it. I paid for the year. They're having a yearly promotion on it right now, where you could pay for the year. It's like 200 something. Yeah, I got the whole year because this is just amazing and it's gonna save me a lot of money. So I just paid for the whole year. It's only like $20 some a month, and it's really, really amazing. It's really, really a cool tool. If you don't want to pay the yearly, you could pay by month, right? So if you'd like to get your hands on this tool, you're gonna find links in the description of this video to get your hands on this tool. All right. I appreciate you watching the video. Make sure you click on the link below this video, and talk to you soon.